Hi guys, this is Gazworld. I'm here at CMC in Chesterfield, Derbyshire. Just going to do a walk around review on this 125 Yamaha Xsr. Nice bright red. This colour is actually called Redline. Nice little naked bike from the Sport Heritage Motorcycles. It's got a 124cc engine, liquid cooled 4-stroke. It's got a power of 1425 HP at 10,000 RPM. It's got torque of 11.5 Newton meters at 8,000 RPM, a top speed of approximately 75 miles an hour. Naught to 100 km/h takes approximately 14 seconds. Fuel tank capacity is 11 litres. Mileage, get approximately 130 miles to the gallon, so it's very good on economy. Six-speed gearbox. It has, I know it's not switched on, but it's got a nice instrument screen, LCD screen, LED headlight and LED tail light. Front brake disc is 267mm single hydraulic with ABS. And same on the rear. The disc is 220mm, 2-channel ABS. (17-inch) wheels, 10-spoke. Quite nice. Front suspension, 37mm upside down forks with 130mm of travel. Rear suspension is a monoshock swing arm with a travel of 110mm. Like I say, it'd be a nice bike for your first bike, that one. Like I say, it's a bit retro looking, like a classic retro, but brand new. Seat height on it is 815mm. You've got a ground clearance. Exhaust sits at 160mm. Curb weight of 140 kilograms and an overall length of 1,960mm. So I'll be quiet now and let you just have a quick walk around this bike. Really is a nice bike. Like I say, I'm down here at CMC, Chesterfield, Derbyshire. So if you're interested in this 125, get yourself down or ring the sales team. Nice side stand. Really a nice bright red. Perfect for your first bike. It being a 124cc. Cheap insurance, cheap to run, cheap to maintain. Perfect. I've been told this model is very comfy to ride. I've just been manoeuvring this bike around. It's very light as well, especially compared to the MT-09. I did a review last week on the MT-125, which is there. So if you want to look through my other videos and find it, you know, basically it's the same engine and everything. One's retro looking, one's more your hyper naked bike. Both nice bikes, but it depends on your personal preference. Nice little bike. It's just a shame that all of bikes like this do 130 to a gallon, so that would be cheap biking. Just do a quick, like I say, CMC Chesterfield have been so kind to let me come down. There's plenty of bikes in store, as you can see. Plenty. Hope you've liked the video. I've been Gazworld. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.